Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Here's the 7th flower for our 14 Pop-Up Flower series. If you enjoy making pop-up flowers, then don't skip this video and keep watching. Let's start by drawing our spread. I want my spread to be really green, so I design it with many leaves. But of course, you can design it in your own way. You can use any coloring materials as you like. In my case, I am in love with colored pencils, and this has been my partner ever since I started this YouTube channel. I always finish my drawing with the highlights. I may not be very good at it yet, but I'm loving it. Next is the flower. I was not able to record the drawing of the flower because my camera was not working at that time, but here it is, and some little leaves too. So, this is now our spread. And the pop-up elements. Now, the pop-up magic lies on this thing. Create a fold at the bottom part as your little tab. Then fold the middle, then create a triangular fold from the center to the almost top corner of the paper. Then, push the center part inward in order to create a triangular fold mechanism. Don't worry, there is no specific measurement on this. Just choose whether big or small depending on the size of your flower. Okay, so let's fold the flower half. Next, fold again a little into 1/4 size. Then create a little fold on top. Just follow the video. Okay, our flower is ready. So now, let's paste this pop-up tab onto the spread. Okay, it should look like this. This is where we put the flower to create a pop-up effect. Let's beautify it by adding the little leaves on top. And of course, the little branches too, just to add some more designs and become a little realistic. Okay, so let's paste the flower now. Just put glue on both sides. Alright, this is our pop-up flower. It's amazing, isn't it? Thank you so much, Pop-Uppers. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. God bless. Bye!